So I was raised to be very distrustful of any immigrants, any Arabs. But there's one theory that never really convinced me. This is the narrative of the Great Replacement theory. And maybe I'm overthinking it, but if we do quick maths, let's think about it. There is almost 2 billion Muslims in the world. The Gulf countries have trillions and trillions of dollars thanks to oil and gas money. Pakistan and Iran have nuclear weapons. It would be super easy for Muslims to band together, use this money to produce lots of weapons, and for people to just invade Europe and North America just like that. Why haven't they done it yet? If you look at Muslim populations in Europe, not only in the UK, France, Spain, Italy, Germany, it's very similar. Despite all of this money available, why do people are still on benefits? Okay, maybe they're trying to milk the system. If we look at my parents' country, Poland, so Poland has been hosting Muslims since the 14th century. It's been 7th century there in Poland. But still, Muslims are less than 0.1% of the Polish population. They had 700 years to replace the Poles. How come in 2025 they're still at 0.1%? But they're officially recognized by the government for the military services they've done to the country. If we think of a country like Indonesia, they have a population of 200 million. Why is there no Indonesian immigration? It would have been a very easy job because lots of people think that, Southeast Asians, they're like a model minority. Are Muslims just lazy? I would like someone to explain to me how Muslims are planning to overtake Europe and how are they going to replace us. That's all. I just wanted to ask this question because I have been really, really struggling to understand how they're going to do it.